It is snowing in South Georgia.
We've never had this much snow. It's the next morning and it looks nothing like South Georgia. It blows my mind. I don't, it's crazy. It's probably the most snow I've ever seen, period. Even traveling the country. It's beautiful. It's amazing. One of the things that makes this storm like totally different than what we're used to, not just in the amount of snow it is, but normally when we get snow in South Georgia, it's like overnight or early morning, and by like mid-morning, it gets hot, everything melts. Well, this one's different. It's 9:30 in the morning, it's 17 degrees, and it feels like 8 degrees. So this snow is going to stick around for a while, so it's going to be different for us. We're not used to that. It's deep.
Yeah, it is powdery. Snow is powdery. Oh, I'm looking at the slides, Savannah. Yeah, it's looking this. What I do?
Look, Savannah.
What?
Here you go, boo. I got you some snow.
What's that?
It's a cup. Hold the cup.
That's my name, honey.
Get it, girl. Is it good? You dumped the snow out. Oh.
It's like a popsicle. Savannah, here. That's a popsicle. It's like a popsicle.
I wouldn't drink too much of that.
How?
It came from the roof. It's like got trash and all kinds of stuff. All the little particles of roof. What you got?
It's ice.
You got an icicle?
I'm Ricky. I'm Ricky.
Let's go.
Georgia likes the snow.
How's it feel under your feet?
And the thing about Georgia, the snow just comes right off her.
Mom, look, it's getting bigger. You big as snowman now.
Are you Voldemort?
Yeah.
Hey, Pop Got is dead.
It's so cold, we can't eat that.
About to face plant?
There you go.
Does it look like you? Ish.
That wasn't cold though.
It's snow day 2025 and we're about to go ride. Ready?
Let's go. Dad! Ah!
What you looking at, boy? Huh?
Let's make a path with the boogie board. So if I do not find somebody, don't trip. Don't trip. Oh! Alright, I'm hanging on good.
Okay, the back's done. Okay, so this is a snowman peeing. I'm scared. Stupid chicken.
It's not that cold. Do it quick. Now take it out. See? That's how it is.
It's scary.
Emma, your turn.
Ready? Set.
Wait, hold on. Your hat landed.
So where my beanie? It's fine.
Your
Sure.
hat's not gonna let your face get in. You gotta stay down there for a few seconds.
Ready? Wait, hold on. Wait, I'm scared. Like, you need to take your hat off.
No, ma'am. You gotta go way down.
That's cold.
It feels good.
Go now.
I'm gonna do it again.
May tighten your pores.
Girl.
Do it with my sunglasses.
I have my makeup on.
1, 2, 3.
Bro. Loser.
Can I wear some? Can I wear some?
Guess it. Where's your face?
There you go.
It's not cold though.
You gotta go way to the bottom and stay there.
Today, girl.
It feels cool.
Wasting footage.
Georgia, get over here. Your beanie. You gotta go all the way down and then stay down there for a minute.
Keep going.
Push. Oh, don't.
There you go.
Put your head up.
Woo!
What is he?
Go.
Go.
Help you do it again? Oh, help.
Jeez. Whoo, steep.
Do one hand.
Whoa.
Mom, let's start over.
What we got here, dude?
Ready? Ready? Here we go.
Dad.
Oh, don't let it bust.
Bring that on over here.
That? What you mean? I'll work on the bottom lane. You work on the top.
Hey, y'all get fresh snow. We need just a little bit more up tall.
But
I'd say, yeah, the filtering's good. Do this part right here that's dirty. And let's get a picture because Savannah's been patiently waiting.
No, you're my way. That's sculpting. Are you going to arm around me?
What we got here?
Here, y'all should do it. You and Landon get in it.
we got a snowman. How cold is it?
And then we're
In the
going in.
30s right now.
Does anybody know where the lid to this bottle is?
Team mine.
Is it?
It's probably buried.
All the snow's melted.
Well, the sun has melted a good bit of snow out here. But we still have quite a bit over in the shady spots. Our snowman has survived so far. Our snowman's starting to melt a little bit. He's still got some of his teeth. While the front yard is pretty melted from the sun, the backyard had plenty of shade, and it still looks a little like a winter wonderland.
Alright, here we go. Watch this. Down, around again. Okay. Oh, hi. These rocks so. Snowball. Okay. Oops. sing fast first.
Throw it. Good job.
Mom!
You gonna throw it?
No.
Okay.
It's a buffer.
You can put it back right there. Okay.
Hey, Mama. Tiny one. Come. Get the buffer. It's Mama. What? It's a tiny one.
Got a tiny one?
Ah. You're not gonna do this. It's go me. Yeah, Mama. There's a butt. Ooh. It's out of big one.
Yeah.
It's a big one.
If we don't go to school, I don't know when we'll do that. It would just be one day next week, I guess. She's in her room for right now. She does, and she's been able to wear Landon's old waders, so she's been nice and warm.
Looks like mud or poop. Oh, Savannah, be careful.
Huh?
Oh, is that grape?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought y'all were eating mud. This afternoon, there's still quite a bit of snow, except for where it's really sunny. And so we're still out just trying to enjoy the little bit of snow we got. It's like 43 degrees and feels like 38. Snowman's struggling a little bit. Got a little lean going. What are you doing?
Getting snow.
Why?
I'm trying to make an igloo like a. Is this something right?
Nothing's in the way.
Yeah, that's hard.
I don't know how you're gonna get it there.
Yeah. Oh! Get all this snow. I need to go really deep.
Gotta keep building.
Huh?
We're gonna keep building till dark.
This is, yeah, my setup. You can see a lot.
What you got?
Igloo.
You gonna
blocks.
you gonna sleep out here tonight?
Yeah.
Cool. I'll see you later.
And
Sushi, sir.
room service.
It's day 4 of snow, and there's still a lot left in the shaded areas. But I think it's gonna warm up a lot today, so it may be the last day. South Georgia's never had this much snow hang around because it always warms up the day it snows and melts everything. This is crazy that it's still around. We're going to the snow house, the igloo.
It's too big.
You can go inside?
It's too big.
No, you can get in there. Brother fit.
No, yeah.
Daddy can't fit.
No, mommy. Mama, baby.
Is that so cool? You're in a house made of snow. It's lunchtime and it's getting around 50 degrees, so everything's starting to melt.
Hold on.